This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hello! Happy Valentine's! Happy Valentine's Day. Well, I guess not day when you're watching this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, okay? You've probably seen my other Valentine's video from a year ago if you're not new here, but if you haven't seen that one, or you have and you still need ideas, good thing I'm here. I asked you guys over on my Instagram what you needed from me this month, and I got a lot of you saying you wanted Valentine's crochet ideas. I've done this before, but I will do it again because there's a never-ending amount of patterns, especially for love and lovers and celebrating love and hearts and pink and red. So here I am. This video is 50 Valentine's crochet ideas. So whether you're making a gift, you're making decor, you're making some flowers, you want an accessory or a stuffed animal, I got you, because the categories for this video are stuffed animals, decor, flowers, accessories, and then miscellaneous for everything that I couldn't figure out how to fit into a category. Okay, so as always, everything I'm showing you is linked in the description box below in the order that I show it to you, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial, so you can make everything that I'm showing you. Also, I've started putting free and paid tags on all the images, so you know before you even have to click whether or not you're going to be spending money, okay? I forgot to mention this when recording this video, but 90% of the patterns in this video are free. So that's 45 out of 50 of the patterns being completely free with 5 paid patterns. I did label them, like I said, in this whole video, but if you're looking for free patterns, this is definitely the video for you. I understand that times are tough right now, especially with Valentine's being a gift-giving time. I didn't want you guys to have to spend money on a pattern, so majority of these are free. If any of these are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, please send me a DM on Instagram or shoot me a quick email and I can take it out. Without further ado, let's jump into the first category, which is stuffed animals. I think this one's my favorite. For stuffed animals, we have this really cute no-sew love bug. It was already cute, but then when I read that it was no-sew, it made me love it even more because I hate sewing when it comes to crochet. Okay, the next one I have for you is a Valentine spider. This one's good for your friend or lover or family member who has a pet tarantula, and then you crochet a tarantula with pink and with a heart on it, and there you go. So that one's for you. Okay, very niche, very specific. You can also make a snail with a little heart shell, super cute. I love Valentine's Day, you guys. I love it. You can make a love bug. This one's really cute. It's like a non-specific bug, whereas the other one was more like a caterpillar. This one's non-specific. This one is a bear. Make a cute little bear. You can make it with some Bernat velvet yarn, and that thing would be so soft. Or even some fluffy yarn. Super soft. Pick a soft yarn. Or like a baby blanket yarn. So cute. Definitely cute. Love that one. So we have the bee, or sorry, not the bee. We have the snail, the spider, the non-specific love bug, and the caterpillar. But have you seen the Be Mine bee, the Valentine bee, okay? This one's super cute. And it has little legs and arms, which makes it even cuter. This pattern has 4 fun size crochet gifts. So if you don't want to make a huge stuffed animal, you can make a little fun size one. Then, I love this one. This one's probably my favorite out of all 50 of them, is this love lobster, okay? The little lobster claws have hearts. If you met your boyfriend or girlfriend, not met, girl, who meets out a Red Lobster? No, I was saying if you guys go to Red Lobster, this is cute, okay? Moving on. I'll see myself out. You can also make this really cute bunny holding a heart, and of course change the colors however you want. And then there's this rose turtle. So I'm giving you lots of options. Very cute. Before we get into the next category, I just want to take a second to thank this video sponsor, Skillshare. A skill I've been wanting to work on recently is my digital art skills. I have an iPad, but Procreate can be really hard to navigate. Lucky for me, Skillshare has a Kickstart Your Creativity with Procreate class where I've been learning how to draw with my iPad, which has been really helpful when I'm designing stickers and even like thumbnails and things like that. I'm trying to do them on my iPad now. So learning all the ins and outs of Procreate with the help of the Skillshare class has really helped me kind of up my game in areas that before I was kind of like, ooh, I don't know if I could do this. So that's been really helpful. Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives with thousands of creative classes in countless categories. Skillshare can help you take your career, skills, hobbies, passions, or even side hustles to the next level. Skillshare classes are designed by creatives for creatives. Skillshare has classes on film, illustration, animation, design, entrepreneurship, crochet, knitting, and so much more. Let's start treating creativity the same way that we treat health and wellness. Creativity is a muscle. The more you exercise it and build your craft, the more you grow. If you want to practice your creativity on Skillshare, the first 500 people to use the link in my description will receive 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So get started today. The next category I have for you is decor. For decor, we've got this heart blanket. It's like big granny squares kind of blanket, super cute. You can make this heart stitch, which this pattern is mostly just to learn how to do the heart stitch. So you can make a Kindle cover, a bag, a blanket, a rug, a wall tapestry. Basically, this is just to show you how to do the stitch. So if you're someone who doesn't need a lot of direction and you just kind of want to learn how to do the stitch, that's for you. The next one I have for you is the Love Knot Blanket. Simple, easy, beginner way to make a blanket. Then there's this one. It's the Bobble Heart Blanket. If you're not afraid of a bobble stitch, this one's for you, but definitely might not be for my super beginners. This one is the Valentine Throw. Again, might not be for super specific beginners, but for my intermediate and advanced people, that one's for you. My foot is falling asleep. My cat, if you can see her, she's black. You can't really see her, but she's laying like just out of frame. And then we have a super cute, I'm literally holding the rose like it's a mic. Girl, get it together. We have this super cute oh my gosh, heart pillow with velvet yarn. It's super soft, super cute, super cute, super soft, super cute. Okay, I'm gonna keep saying those words. That's all the words I know. You can also make this heart pillow, and it has little pom-poms on it to spice it up a bit. And then we've got some conversation starters, conversation heart coasters, like those little heart candies with the little words on them. Then you can make some little hearts and put a string through it and make a heart garland. I did this last year. I don't know where I put it. I might have to make another one, but super easy, super cute, good for beginners. This one is a scrubby. So if you want to make a Valentine's or a heart scrubby, I got that for you. This one's a heart coaster. Again, beginner. This one's free. Super simple. You got it, okay? If you're a beginner and you want to make a cute little thing, that one's for you. This one is just how to make stuffed hearts. Various sizes, various different types of yarns. Good, just like as like a whatever you want to do. You can add legs to it, make it a stuffed animal. You can make it big, make it a pillow. You can make it little, make it like a pin cushion. Do whatever you want with it. You can even add like a key ring to it and make it a keychain. Completely up to you. The next category I have for you is flowers, and this one's a big one because I feel like a big part of this holiday, Valentine's Day is a holiday, is flowers. You either buy flowers or you make flowers. I like crocheting flowers around Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, things like that. I like crocheting flowers because they don't die, and you get a lot more like, I don't know, I was gonna say they're cheaper, but they're probably not, like with time and supply, but they're super cute and they're super personal. And if you have cats, they're really good because a lot of cats are, a lot of plants and flowers are allergic or toxic to cats. So it's a good option if you have cats or pets at home. So for our flower category, we have this little flower bouquet. We've got this mini flower bouquet made with like heart-shaped flowers, which is an option. You can make some lavender. I've made lavender before. Love making lavender. You can make poppy flower. You can make mini flowers and do like a little frame around a picture. Super cute. You can do this mini bouquet. You can do crocheted rose, which is what I have on my little stick here. I think this is a skewer. I made this a long time ago, like before I even had a channel, I'm pretty sure. So I don't know what pattern I used, but this one will make something that looks pretty much the same as the one I'm holding. Okay, this video tutorial. You can make this morning glory or this corn poppy flower, or even this video has three different like bag charm keychain type bouquets or like mini flowers with a little wrap around them. So cute. I love this one. Oh my god, if I was gifted this for Valentine's Day, I love it, okay? Oh, I think this is the red rose pattern that made this one, actually. This video. Red rose, red rose. The other one's a different kind of rose. This one's a lavender keychain, so I gave you a lavender pattern, and that one's more for like big lavender that you're going to make like a bouquet out of. This is just a cute little mini lavender keychain. This is forget-me-not flowers, super cute. Comment your favorite flower in the description because I get asked this sometimes and I never really know what to say. I think my favorite's carnation, but I don't know. So what are your guys' favorite flowers? Because I need ideas. You can make a puff flower. You can make a bouquet of strawberries instead of flowers. You can make, this is a carnation, crocheted carnation, which looks really fun to make. I also think you could use some eyeshadow to kind of add that like different color changing to it to make it look like an actual carnation. And then we've got this iris. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but it's iris flower, maybe. And then we've got calla lilies, which I've heard so many people name calla lilies as their favorite flower. I don't think I've ever seen a calla lily in person, but they're kind of cool, I guess. I don't know. The next category I have for you is accessories. For accessories, I've got you some heart-shaped earmuffs, or like you could make it into a headband. You could put them over your headphones. You can make them into a headphone cover if you're a little more advanced and you don't really need that extra like pattern, you know? You can take this pattern and make it into whatever. This is a heart wire wrapping. So if you've been around or you've been in the crochet community for a while, you guys know about those little like leaf sprout wire wraps, or even like the leaf sprouts that people wrap around their little headband at the top. This is essentially the same idea but with a heart, so it's cute and Valentine's related. You can also make these heart earrings, super cute, or this crochet bonnet. Love this, okay? It's very easy, very beginner friendly. If you have never crocheted a day in your life, you could crochet this, and depending on what you wear it with, it makes a really cute little like Valentine's heart love outfit. Oh my god, I just realized Alice is asleep behind me. She just moved her little head. She moved into frame because I was talking about her. She also loves sitting on this couch, and I'm kind of like sitting more forward so she has space behind me to sit because I didn't want to take away her favorite sitting spot because that would be rude. The next category I have for you is the miscellaneous category, or the category where everything fell that I didn't know where to put it, okay? So for this category, I've got these cookies. These are really cute. I don't think if someone crocheted these for me for Valentine's Day, I'd be like, thanks, now what do I do with them? You know what I mean? But these would be really cute if you had kids, because my dad has this tradition with us. Every Valentine's Day, he gets me and my sibling Valentine's Day gifts, like a card, chocolate, things like that. But if you have a little kid who has toys, you can give them a Valentine's Day gift of like heart-shaped cookies so they can add it to their little play kitchen. I just thought that was a really cute idea. I will be doing this when I have kids in the future, so feel free to steal my idea. But I'm giving you that pattern for that reason. And then this is a gift card envelope that looks kind of like a love letter. I've made this before last Valentine's, and it's super quick, super beginner friendly, and super fun if you are doing like a gift card, or if you want to do like a little handwritten letter and put it in there. Super cute. This one is a little more time consuming, but it's a Valentine's heart cake. Now, I've seen people make these to where they're just cakes, and I've seen people make them to be covers for like jewelry organizers or jewelry boxes, which I think for Valentine's Day, I'd probably recommend doing like a cover for a jewelry box or a jewelry organizer. Are those the same things? I don't know. But I'd recommend doing that over just kind of making something that's going to sit and collect dust. Or you can do like the tissue box cover like I have or I've done before. But I think those are cute. I think when you're making gifts for people, try and keep in mind, is this functional, or am I giving them something that's going to collect dust? And will they care? Because some people don't care if you want to give them something that's going to sit on a shelf. They love a good trinket. They love things that collect dust. They need more dust collecting things. Some people want things that are functional. So take a second and really think about who you're giving a gift to and then decide what kind of crochet thing you want to do, because I've got options for everybody in here. Anyway, I'm rambling. The next one I thought was really fun. I know that it's like not inherently Valentine's related, but around this time we're giving earrings, we're giving rings, we're giving necklaces, and I just thought, how fun would it be if someone presented a piece of jewelry to you in a crocheted shell? Like, that is literally so cute. So I'm adding it into this one. Also, we've got these heart cactuses, which I put in the miscellaneous because to me, a cactus is not a flower, it's a plant. Therefore, it doesn't go in the flower category, but it also, I don't know where else it would have gone, so it ended up in the miscellaneous. But I do think this is cute, especially if you have a partner who collects, would that be the right term? Collects plants? I guess like takes care of plants, but they mostly like succulents and cactuses over other type of plants or flowers. Then make them a cactus because they might like it more than a crocheted flower. That is all 50 Valentine's crochet patterns I have for you, crochet ideas, all of them, okay? If you still don't know what to make, go check out last year's Valentine's video. There's more ideas in that one. I think I might even have one from the year before. I don't know how long I've been doing this, but I'll leave some links in the description of previous Valentine's videos if you're still confused. Or I have like a what to crochet your girlfriend boyfriend. That one probably might be helpful. I'll leave that in the description as well. Like I said in the beginning, everything I showed you is linked in the description box below in the order that I said it. Linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so you can make everything I'm showing you. If you want to be a part of future like Q&As, or if you have a video idea you want to share, well, feel free to leave that in the comments. But if I'm asking you guys a question, I usually do it over on Instagram. So if you have an Instagram, be sure to follow me over there. I'll show it on the screen. I'll put the link in the description too if you need the link. But that's where I kind of ask you guys all my questions. I announce things usually over there. If you want a heads up of what video's coming out, it'll be over there. I'm really active on Instagram when I'm not on YouTube, so definitely follow me over there if you aren't already. And if you have a crochet idea, how many times can I say that? As many times as I want, okay? Because this is my channel. But if you have an idea I haven't done before, comment it down below. I'll add it to the list, and I'll eventually get to it hopefully soon. But the more people who comment for a specific topic, it bumps up on the list. So if you've seen it already commented, that doesn't necessarily mean it's on the list. The more you comment that thing, the more I like bump it up to priority, because I'm like, oh, multiple people want this. So feel free to comment it even if you already see it as a comment. And other than that, I'm going to stop talking so you can get to crocheting those gifts. Hopefully you're not clicking on this the night before Valentine's Day. If you are, good luck. But subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this or you got anything from it. Like this video if you found it helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.